Okay, welcome to this TrafficONE tutorial using rotation packets to manage a campaign such as a sales campaign where you have spots starting at different times throughout. And now traditionally you could set up an individual order item within the order for each week stating where and when the spot should play. However, there is an easier way using rotation packets, especially useful when your client doesn't yet know exactly when the last week of the campaign will run. So let me show you how. So let's go ahead and create the order. Now I've speeded up the process here as there are other videos on learning how to add orders to TrafficONE, so please do check those out. So we've created the order, and as you can see there are no orders in the order items box, and we can't create one because we haven't yet created the rotation packet. So let's create the rotation packet. Now let's jump back into categories and find the client spot folder item, and then click on create packet and then give the packet a name and then click OK to create your rotation packet. And then it's a matter of just copying all the items into your new rotation packet. And for the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to add a new item to the packet, which will be a general ad which you may want to play after the sale campaign has completed. For example, if it's an ongoing campaign with the client. Now we return to the order and we will tell TrafficONE to push into the schedule from the rotation packet. So we put the order details in with all the charging and schedule information that we require, and you will see for track we will actually tell it to choose from the rotation packet. We then need to jump back to the categories in the rotation packet and adjust the start end dates so that TrafficONE knows which item from the rotation category it can play each week based on the customer order. Okay, to do that, right click on the top one in the list and choose properties and adjust the start and end dates for each item. This way, when TrafficONE processes the order item, in this case for Acme furniture, it will choose an item from the rotation packet, but only which has been allowed to play for the date being scheduled. So it will obey the start and end dates in the rotation packet. So I've adjusted the start end dates in the order items up until the last one in the list. Finally, if the campaign continues after the sale, for example here, I've set up a general ad to start at the end of the campaign with no end date. This is ideal if you have a continuation campaign and you want a general ad to play after the sale campaign has finished. Thank you for watching this TrafficONE training video on rotation packets. Hope you found it helpful. If you need further assistance, then please do not hesitate to reach out to us at the TrafficONE office. Email support@trafficone.pro.